family. Since I've been recovering this last 2 weeks, my house, my nails, my hair, everything's been a mess. So today we are doing a reset.
That's fine.
Mason! Don't you look so handsome? Look so pretty. You pretty girl.
Cashier number 3.
Match so cute. You match so cute.
You want to put them on?
Mason's got a donut. You look so handsome. Check the fit, Mason. Check the fit. Look at you, Zo girl. Look at you. Check the fit.
Guys, since I'm past my 2 weeks post-op, I'm going back to keto. This is what I'm having for breakfast. This is 5 net carbs. I think I'm gonna do between 40 and 50. So I'm gonna start with this for today. It has been crazy busy today, guys. So I'm just now having lunch, and look, it's almost 3 o'clock. This is what I'm gonna have for lunch. Half a bag is 7 carbs. I'm gonna eat this whole bag. I'm not even gonna lie. So there's gonna be 14 carbs plus the 5 carbs I had this morning, which is 19. So I still have some carbs for dinner. This is a butterfly for Zoe. Zoe, look, a butterfly. And it's a little bracelet. Look. Wow! And Mason, you have a little lion. Wow. Look, say thank you, Raina. You have a lion? Wow.
I got video of his butt hanging out.
Zoe, come here. You have a butterfly? Look, Zoe. Say thank you, Raina. It is mini pimp.
Mason, you have a lion and you have raspberries?
That's right.
You have raspberries?
I love babies.
Raspberries?
Raspberries.
Good job. Sit down on the chair. No, 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 no. Mason think he's slick. He took one out of her bowl and put it in his. Mason, eat your raspberries. Yeah, you eat. Thank you. Okay. You eat. Look, there's no more. Thank you.
Mommy, do you know what's the big wish? Yes, the biggest. Oh, Donna, where you?
Hey y'all, don't pay attention to my hair, but I haven't updated you guys in a few days, and I just want to show you what I look like. Ignore my nipple and ignore my hair. This is what I look like so far. The mirror was cleaned, okay? We did clean the mirror, but they touched it again. So that's how I look. Getting there. Little poke out right now. Getting there.
I didn't mean to end this life, I know it was alright. I can't even sleep and I can't get it off my mind. I need to get out of sight, but I end up behind bars. What started out as a simple altercation turns into a real sticky situation. Me just thinking on the time that I'm facing makes me wanna cry. Cause I didn't mean to hurt him. Could have been somebody's son. I took his heart with. I pulled out that gun. Rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Stand down. Rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. see the way I breathe you in. It's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. Oh, and I see you. It's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up. Yeah, and I'll be right here with you too. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my trip up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my life right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it. You ain't sure yet, but I'm for ya. All I could want, all I could wish for. Nights alone that we miss more. Days we save as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time. Give you my whole life. Nancy, 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 Nancy.